What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the inside edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start on the left side, we draw a curve that goes in and then up. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw the bottom edge of the brow, starting back over on the left, curve the eye going up and then out, go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Over on the left side, let's step in. I'm just going to curve the eye coming down and then up on the inside. Now from here we're going to step down and draw the top edge of the muzzle. Starting underneath the left eye, we'll draw a curve going up and then bring that back down. Let's place the mouth underneath, starting back over on the left, curve the mouth coming down and then up. Now on the sides, we're going to bend the mouth going out and then down towards the corners of the mouth. Let's connect the corners with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. Add two lines on the side to separate the teeth, and it'll fill in the outside. And then in the center, step down, draw a short line going across the lower lip. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we'll step out, curve the cheek going out and then down towards the jaw. Line that up on the right, going out and then down. Now you want to round out the jaw and then come in towards the center. So start on the left, round out the jaw and pull that in. Go across and then up. Let's draw on the side of the head. Starting back over on the left, go up, and it'll bend that in. Let's round out the top of the head. On the left, go up in the middle, and then bring that back down. Now from here, we draw the top edge of the mask. Starting right in the center, bend this up and out toward the left, towards the top point. Do the same thing on the right. I want to curve this out and then back down towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the mask going in behind the muzzle. Starting on the left, come down, and then in, just leaving a little overlap on the outside. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. From the left hip, we're going to step up, draw the top edge of the belt with a curve, and we'll add the knot in the center. Draw two straight lines coming down, and then close this off. Let's add the ends of the belt. From the bottom corners of the knot, bend this out and then down. Angle this up and out towards the side. And we'll pull this back up towards the top corners of the knot. Now I'm going to bring the belt back in towards the center, curving down in behind. Now I'm going to go up and add that strap going across the body. Let's start on the top left. Just going to bend this down and across towards the right hip. Now going back up to the top, we'll step over and draw that again. From the top of the body, curve this in and down behind the strap. Come in on the right side. Now underneath the strap in the middle, draw a straight line coming down towards the belt. And we'll add a seam across the chest. Starting over on the left, bend this up and then down. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the knot, we'll step down, draw a straight line going across. And then from the ends, we'll draw the inside of the leg going out and then down towards the heel. Let's round up the heel and then go out and then up towards the first toe. Let's add one large toe, going all the way around like a C and then back down. Let's layer the second toe in behind. From the top, go all the way around and then pull that back in. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, bend the leg going out, and then pull that down, aiming towards that first toe. And bend the ankle, coming down and then out on top of the toes. Now I want to connect the inside of the leg to the hip with a curve, so we'll start with the left. Bending this up and out behind the belt, and go up towards the hip. And then we'll draw the knee pads across the center of each leg. We'll start on the top left, coming in and then down. Let's line that up on the right. Now from the outside, we'll step down, draw that same curve, just tapering it so it gets narrower as we come in. Let's separate this area in half with a straight angled line. And we'll separate the outside with a horizontal curve. Now I'm going to move back up and draw the arm stretched out, holding two swords. Let's start from the top of the body on the left, bend the arm going up, and then out towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right, and do the same thing. From the wrist, we're going to curve this down and then out towards the handle of the sword. Let's add a half circle, going up and down. And then we'll wrap two large fingers along the outside. Starting from the bottom, we're going to go out and pull that in. From the top, go out, up, and then down towards the wrist. Let's curve the top of the arm, going up and in behind the head. Let's add a wristband. From the top of the wrist, bend this out and then in towards the bottom. Step in and draw that again. Let's add one more strap across the center of the arm, going up and in behind the head. Step in and draw that again. Now from here, we're going to place the hilt of the sword underneath the hand. So on the left, we're going to draw a straight line going across the bottom. And going back to the center, we'll step down, draw a short line going across. And then from the inside, draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the tip of the sword. Let's go to the outside, draw another straight line coming down. Now this line will be a little bit shorter than the one on the inside. Connect the outside to the inside with an angled line. Now from the ends of the hilt, angle this down and then in. And we'll pull that in towards the side of the blade. Now you want to extend the handle going up past the top of the arm. So starting on the outside, go up, go to the inside, and then we'll round out the top. Let's place the bottom of the shell in behind the arm and the body. So we'll start on the left, curve those down, and then bend that in. Let's trace the shell along the inside. And now we'll add the two straps of the headband coming out from the left side. Let's start up here. Come down and then up. Bend this around the handle. Flatten off the end with a straight angled line. I'm going to follow that curve coming back in, but we'll taper this so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the side of the head. Let's add a shorter strap along the top, curving out and then up. Angle this down, and then again just tapering this in behind the front strap. Now let's go in with our blue marker and fill the inside of the mask, starting with the straps. And then we'll fill the center of the body with our yellow. Now we'll grab our brown and fill in each of the straps. And using a lighter brown for the handle of the sword. I'm going to use a dark green around the outside of the shell. I'm using even darker green for the inside. Now we're going to use our medium green for the inside of the head and body. And once we've finished off our coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.